Belagavi border dispute as well. And this actually is the Karnataka stand that has been accessed. Now, Karnataka will be opposing Maharashtra's suit in the border dispute row in the apex court, along with Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai. In fact, we also been told that the Karnataka Attorney General also met Mukul Rohatgi, and along with Mukul Rohatgi, the Karnataka AG will be appearing for the government of Karnataka. And this also mentions that there is no legal right within a state to challenge alterations to its boundaries. Linguistic credentials are also not the sole basis under the State Reorganization Act of 1956. So these are the exclusive details that we have managed to access. A development there in the Belagavi border row that continues to escalate. Remember, the matter is going to be before the apex court of the country. However, we have managed to access the suit that the government of Karnataka is going to be filing. And for giving us more details on the same, let me take this across to my colleague Ananya, who's joining us on the broadcast. Ananya, please tell me about the details that you are accessing.
Well, remember, Griha, that this is a very, very long pending dispute that is there between Karnataka and Maharashtra, and it had already reached the Supreme Court. There were a slew of directions also passed in the year 2014. And essentially, we have accessed the stand of the Karnataka government that would be there before the Supreme Court tomorrow when the matter is heard by a three-judges bench headed by Justice K.M. Joseph, also comprising Justice R. Subramaniam and also Justice B.V. Nagratna. So what is very, very clear is that the Karnataka government is going to oppose this petition, that oppose this particular suit that is there by the Maharashtra government. Second of all, it says that the linguistics is no barrier in this particular act, so that a re-recognition of states can happen. Secondly, what is very, very crucial is that it has also been stated that under this particular act, any challenge to this particular act is seen as a constitutional challenge. And in fact, the Supreme Court or any court in the country has a very little power when it comes to actually intervene into such a challenge, is what the stand of the Karnataka government is now. What are the key developments that have taken place? First, that Karnataka CM Basavaraj Bommai, along with the Advocate General of Karnataka, Mr. Prabhuling Navadgi, actually met with senior lawyers, including Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, in the national capital, is what we are told by the sources. They briefed, in fact, Mr. Rohatgi about the complete structure and what has to be argued. In fact, they have sought his legal advice as to what can be the stand of the Karnataka government with regards to this. Now, what is the basic dispute that is there between Karnataka and Maharashtra is that the Belagavi border, various villages into this particular part of the country are actually Marathi speaking, is what the Maharashtra government says. And that's the reason why it should come into the Maharashtra aspect, is what the Maharashtra government continuously said. But then at the same point of time, the Karnataka government opposing this particular suit said that linguistics is no barrier under the State Recognition Act.
Absolutely.